Malaysia is a multicultural country. There's lots of well-known food here that came from other races, so each have their own unique blend and taste. Today our channel mission is to seek out and explore some of the food choices in this video, starting off with Chinese cuisine. Next up is Lebanese food. The standard here is definitely good. It won't really lose to local ones that I had during my Middle East travel. So another thing about Lebanese is their beautiful potteries, which will add on to the dining vibe. Finally, let's go for Italian food. The main selling point of this Italy restaurant is actually the cheese wheel spaghetti. By cooking the noodles inside the cheese wheel, you can be sure that the deep cheese aroma will be seeped into the spaghetti side. we are near to the end of the video. So after going through all these 3 different cultures of food, which one is your favorite? Do comment down below. We'll have more videos coming with other Malaysia eats, so be sure to subscribe to the channel.